Okay, ready, set, go.
No, I did 3 times.
Okay, 4th time, go.
Lost the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call his name. Lost the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down to history. Didn't run far.